Up first this evening, roughly half of Jamaicans believe the government wasted money on Kamina Johnson-Smith's failed campaign for the position of Commonwealth Secretary General. The findings were obtained from a recent RJ Arglina Don Anderson poll, which has a margin of error of plus or minus 3%. Andrea Chisholm has the details.
Questions have been raised about the cost of Jamaica's failed campaign for the Commonwealth Secretary General post. Senator Kamina Johnson-Smith lost by 3 votes to the incumbent Baroness Patricia Scotland. The Office of the Prime Minister said even though Jamaica did not win, there was widespread international support and bilateral relations were strengthened. This was Senator Johnson-Smith prior to the vote in Rwanda.
It's a huge opportunity for Jamaica to lead, to stand in the organization at that level. We have Jamaicans who have served it across the decades since independence at different levels, and to lead it, I think, would be a great honor. And it's also just a great opportunity to do more.
In a news release on Sunday, the government said over $18.2 million was spent on the campaign. It includes expenses for air and ground transportation, meals, accommodation, as well as public relations and communications support activities for the staging of events. Such activities include IT support, printing of documents, photography, as well as food and beverages. During the period July 16 and 26, 1,113 Jamaicans were asked about the money spent on the campaign. 11% said it was money well spent, 42% said it was a waste, while 47% were not sure. So, which categories of people believed the money was well spent? Pollster Don Anderson breaks down who made up the 11%.
23% of the persons in the upper income category supported this, felt it was money well spent. Older persons, 55 years and over, felt it was money well spent, and this was 17% of those who we interviewed. And 13% of the males, just a little bit above the average of 11%, said it was money well spent.
Of the 42% of Jamaicans who said it was a waste of money, 33% said they would vote for the Jamaica Labour Party and 52% for the People's National Party.
So in a way they did follow somewhat party lines. The Jamaica Labour Party supporters were not as strong on the issue of the belief that money was wasted, but there was certainly a significant percentage of them who felt that way. And the rest of the persons were not sure.
And how informed was the population about the issues surrounding Jamaica's campaign for the position of Commonwealth Secretary General?
I don't think that the issue was as well understood as it might have been, and I don't think even armed with the more information, the additional information, which I believe was carried in some media today about the amount that was actually spent, I don't think that that necessarily enhances the understanding of the people in terms of what this whole thing meant. But I think generally people were pretty familiar with what were the implications.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.